Hello and welcome back to another video. Ooh. And this is one of those paper film waxy capacitors you find in those old All-American 5 radios, and they're junk. They were the cheapest, some of the cheapest stuff available at the time, and however, they suck. Philco. But I always wondered, what's on the inside of one of these? And of course, when I go to film this, I can't find the freaking phone stand, so I'm gonna have to do this in steps and then film each thing. So first, you have the essentially the cardboard tube that everything sits inside, and then on each end. And each end is essentially filled with wax to fix this thing in place, which is the capacitor itself. Take a look at that. You can see, as you can't see, just focus on, there we go. We have the foil and the rotting, decaying black stuff. Alright, first strange thing. I don't feel like trying to find the end of this to properly unwind it. It seems kind of more like the dielectric seems more like mylar than Just focus on my shaky hands and contemplate the meaning of the universe. Seems much more like mylar than paper. This doesn't seem like paper. I mean, maybe the paper refers to case and stuff, but also the one I took apart last night, that one was very obviously bad on the inside. Had corrosion and stuff, but kind of like this one, it seemed to just be mylar, although I didn't dig quite too deep onto that one. So that's weird. Let me keep digging. These are really nice. I don't know what I did. Yeah, it rolled quite tightly, and then do whatever this is at the end. And again, is quite weird, really. I didn't mean paper. I was kind of expecting, paper, not this stuff. This really does just seem to be mylar. Actually, let me go test something. So here's our dielectric, and I'm just gonna... Oh yeah, that burns. Burns pretty well, too. Yeah. Maybe that is paper. Just very thin. I don't know. I'm guessing it is paper.